Now that you've registered for the ICPEL 2020 virtual conference, you'll want to make sure that you can access all of the presentations and sessions through the conference app. If you go to the ICPEL website, on the main page, you'll see a link to the conference app. You may also look at it from the events page. You'll notice there are 3 ways to use this app. The desktop app, which is often the preferred method, through the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Any method will work. So we'll click on the desktop app. You may click this icon or this link. The very first time that you access the app, it's going to ask you to log in. If it's the first time that you've logged in, it's going to ask you to verify who you are, and it will ask you for a verification code. That code will be emailed to you, whatever email you use to register for the conference. Click Verify, and you'll see the desktop app. You have a main landing page. Your information will be in the upper right-hand corner. You can edit your profile to add your name or other information to identify you to other attendees. And on the left-hand menu bar, you'll see a number of options. You can scroll all the way down to make sure you don't miss anything. If you click on All Sessions, you'll see the things that are happening on August 4th, 5th, and 6th. You'll notice that there's a title, track, and times. Times for each session are about 15 minutes apart. Each one gets 30 minutes, then there's a 15-minute break, and then another live session. You may filter sessions by using the filter icon in the upper right-hand corner. You can look for bookmark sessions by speaker, by track or topic, or by tag. And applying those filters will let you narrow down anything that you're looking for. To add an item to your schedule, you can simply click the plus button, and you'll know that it's added by this check mark. If you're watching a synchronous or live session, you'll simply click on the session, and the red box will show you View Presentation, and this will open up a Zoom meeting. If for some reason the password doesn't auto-log you in, the password for every session is listed here. You'll simply copy and paste it. Now please note that if you click View Presentation now, it won't work. It will only work at the time listed above. What about asynchronous presentations? Well, if I click All Presentations, I can filter and click Tag and choose Asynchronous and click Apply, and they'll all be listed here. But also you can note that they're all listed from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. So on the 5th and 6th after the conference, live sessions have ended. You may access any of these. An example, I can type in anything into the search box, click on a session, and in this case, the View Presentation, and it has a link here. I know that this one works because this link is already here. Mine didn't auto add my password. That's just simply based on whatever computer or browser you're using. And I can watch this presentation from Wesley Henry and Lori Rhodes. Please note that asynchronous presentations will not start to appear until August 4th. That just happened to be in there as an example to all of our users. You can look at any places that you've bookmarked. Remember when I added that item to my schedule? If I click on my schedule and I click on the 5th, it'll be there and loaded for me. So there are different ways that you can look for topics and sessions and access those. You'll also see under the event guide, you can click on conference speakers. These are all of our speakers listed alphabetically by first name. Our award winners for this year, a listing of asynchronous sessions, the activity feed, which is the social feed, and their social wall. So if you have been tagged on Twitter, or you've tagged ICPL, or use the hashtag ICPEL 2020, you will see all of those here. We have some thanks and sponsors, a link to Educational Leaders Without Borders if you've heard about that but wanted some more information, a conference survey for the end of the conference, and also a search bar in case you've missed anything you cannot find. You may also see in the upper right-hand corner notifications. You'll notice that those will come in throughout the conference, so be prepared to check those out. And this is how you navigate through the ICPEL conference app for our virtual 2020 conference.